everyone, I'm Coach LV, and for today's video, share ko sa inyo ang ilang exercises na target natin ang ating legs. Ganun na rin ang ating glutes. Gagamit tayo ng dumbbells. Kung wala kayong dumbbells sa bahay, pwede kayong gumamit ng water bottle. Lagyan nyo lang siya ng buhangin or kaya naman ay pabigat na tubig. For our first exercise, ang ating sumo squats. Stand wide, slightly turn out your feet, and squats. Kunin lahat ng weight from your heels when you go up. Gawin nyo to 10 to 12 repetitions. And for the next exercise, ang ating RDL, stand shoulder width apart, core tight, slightly bend your knees, tuck your chin, and glide and dumbbell, go up, feel the stretch.